Hello, everybody. My name is Nadine Botter, and I am the head of our customer success team over here at FreightWaves. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit about some of the things that we have added in SONAR to kind of make it more of a community. The first thing I'm going to show you is the events on the calendars. If you have any calendar pulled up within SONAR, you can go up here to the Events tab and click on, and then go back and click FreightWaves News. And that will populate anything that has happened or anything that we have written about in our editorial staff. It will populate that article within the chart. Eventually, we're going to have it where there are, large calendar events like the Chinese New Year, things like that. Right now, we are just showing you articles that have been written about that specific index. So if you click on the little calendar widget, it will populate this white box where you can kind of see the name of the article. If it's interesting to you, you can actually click on the link and it will drive you right to the article itself. So you can actually read up on what might have happened to cause that, decline in the tender rejections or whatever it is that you're looking at. Most of the time, we're going to write an article about something like that. So you can kind of put those two together to see what might be affecting you. The next thing I wanted to show you is our chat function. Up here in the top left, you'll see two little chat bubbles. If I click on that and pull out this little arrow, you're able to see anything that is going on in the chat. It is anonymized and moderated, so you can see, there's just a little letter or a number next to the person's name, so you can't necessarily see who's talking, but you are able to, see what's happening. So this would be very useful. Anytime if you see something in your own business that you don't really understand and you kind of want to see, hey guys, I don't see the tender rejection showing in this, but I'm having a lot of problems getting my freight accepted, whatever the case may be, you could type that in here. It's anonymous, so nobody has to know that you were saying that. And another SONAR user can reply back and say, yeah, I'm seeing the same thing. Or market experts within FreightWaves, customer success within FreightWaves, we will all respond back to you as well if you have any specific questions like, where do I find the most volatile markets chart, anything like that, we can reply back to you. And like right here, there is the response to that question. So that's another way to get a hold of us if you have any specific questions. But again, it is moderated. We don't want anything out there about any customers or anything like that. So, feel free to share any issues or have any struggles that you're going through or any successes in certain markets. Everybody, of course, wants to hear those things. So that is a super great function. And then you can just exit out of it to get off your screen so you can continue to look at SONAR. The next thing, these two kind of go together. We've added where you can custom upload your own indices and your own map layers. So if I click on my custom indices, you can see right here where you would download the Excel file, fill out all of the information, and through AI, we have made it so that it automatically will build your custom indices. And this is the list of the ones that you're able to do. And then you would click upload. You're able to see those through the chart function. And so that's something that a lot of our customers have asked about. So that's something we're very excited about. And alongside that, you're also able to upload your own map layers. And it's kind of the same process. You just do upload new map file, and you would download the template, put it in here, and it would populate on your map as little dots. You can click on them and it will tell you what it is you're actually looking at. So a lot of customers have talked about putting in maybe their DCs. Also, a brokerage could put in their customers' DCs. Any information about that customer that maybe operations could use when talking to a driver, wanting to see their hours, anything like that. That is all, customizable. You can make it so everybody within your organization can see those map layers. They can turn them on and off, of course, but everybody will have access to see those, not external of your organization, but everybody within your organization will be able to see those. And the last thing that I wanted to highlight is our market insights and research. If you click on the little light bulb up here, you can see we have added 5 different market insight and research information in here so far. If you click on one, so we'll click on Amazon, you can scroll down and it will actually show you the article. You can click through each page, read it that way. And so we have a large team that we have put together that will be doing larger deep dive research papers instead of, you know, the short articles that we post. These will be a lot more of a deep dive into whatever the topic may be. So those are the couple of things that we have added on the community side of things. We're very excited about it. And if you guys have any questions, again, you can reach out to us through the chat function. You can also reach out to us through this question mark and click on contact us, or you can go to freightwaves.com/sonar and reach us that way. Thank you.